Alright, this video is for new customers or potential customers that are looking at my videos for the first time. I had a question from one of my regular customers that asked me, because I wasn't available, so they called somebody else, one of those big corporate companies, and they had a question about their system that it wasn't cooling enough, and so they wanted to find out why. So they called this big corporate company, and of course they told them they needed to change all these parts. They told me the name of the parts, and I'm like, I don't know what they're talking about, because you know how they typically, what they'll do is they'll make up names for parts, so that if they call another company and ask them, the other company is gonna not know what to tell them. Is gonna, you know, they're not gonna get a definitive answer. So that's what they did. They made up a name for a part that needed to be replaced, and so they got a bad vibe from that company. And so what the customer did is like, you know what, never mind. I'm gonna wait and think about it. And so they called me and they said they'll wait. So they waited for me. I finally got there, and I didn't find anything wrong. The design of the system is a 2-story house. Ducts are built into the ceilings and walls, and you can't do much with that. I mean, it's not designed correctly, bottom line. The system is an old system, and it's doing the best that it can do. So not much I can do unless they want to open up walls and ceilings, and then I can fix the problem. But it's something that's been engineered into the house. So it's like a condo, a townhome. So bottom line is, the purpose for this video is that most customers can diagnose their own systems with just a thermometer. Get a air sensing thermometer, and I'll post a link on this video. I'm not getting sponsored by them or anything like that. I just googled it right now, and I found something on Amazon that I thought that would work, and it's super cheap. Is probably accurate within, according to some of the people that were commenting on it. It's about 2 degrees difference between something more expensive. So but it's like $10 or something like that, so I think it's fine. All you want to do is check the temperature difference. Don't even bother on what the temperature is, just the temperature difference. You want to get at least 15 to 20 degree difference from the air getting sucked in to the air getting blown out. So find the vent where the air is getting sucked in. It's usually the larger one. If you know where your furnace is, it's going to be near the furnace, or it's going to be in a hallway ceiling. That's the other place, the most common place. And it's going to be the larger vent. It's going to be like 14 inches by 30 inches, something like that. And the air is getting sucked in versus getting blown out. So check the temperature from each one, and then subtract it, and you should get around a 15 to 20 degree. If you get anything less than 15, then it's not working properly. So that's just the tip that I was wanting to give you guys today, and it'll save you a lot of money, because if it's working fine, then you probably just turned it on too late. Sometimes people leave it off the whole day. On a hot day, it's 90 and above outside, and you leave it off the whole day. When you come home, it's not gonna cool. It's gonna take a long time to cool. So you wanna know, if you wanna be cool when you come home, make sure that you turn the temperature down to, turn it down to like 78 at least, or 80 if you want, and when you leave the house, so that way when you get back, it's gonna be able to bring the temperature down to whatever it is you prefer, like maybe 74, 72, whatever it is you like. If you leave it off, it's gonna be 90 degrees inside. It's gonna take a long time to bring that temperature down, because everything has already absorbed the heat. Your furniture, your floors, your walls, everything has already absorbed the heat. So make sure when you leave your house that you leave it at 78, 80 at the most. Okay? See you in the next one.